Hello everyone, I'm here with delicious meat and vegetable stew called kebab. The ingredients are 1 quince, 3 carrots, 3 onions, 5 small potatoes, meat as needed, 3 tomatoes, 1 tablespoon tomato paste, 1 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon turmeric, a quarter of teaspoon pepper, half a teaspoon cinnamon. First, slice the onions. Place them bottom of the dish. Place the meats on the onion sliced. Then dice the quince. It doesn't need to peel the quince. Add diced quince to the meats. Dice the carrots. Add into ingredients. Pour a little turmeric, pepper, cinnamon, salt. Slice the tomatoes. Put them on the carrots. Pour a tablespoon tomato paste into a glass of water. Pour gradually over the ingredients. Cook over low heat for about 3 hours.
3 hours later.
Chop the potatoes. In the last hour, pour over the ingredients. Add the rest of the cinnamon and salt. Let them cook. Now it's ready to eat and serve. Bon appetit!